Hello, welcome to RapzWorldWide software, and these are top 5 financial tips. Number 1. Spend less than your earnings and get paid what you're worth. This is a simple rule that most people struggle with. Make sure you know what your job is worth in the marketplace by conducting an evaluation of your skills, productivity, job tasks, contribution to the company, and the going rate, both inside and outside the company, for what you do. Being underpaid can have a significant cumulative effect over the course of your working life. No matter how much or how little you are paid, you'll never get ahead if you spend more than you earn. Often it's easier to spend less than it is to earn more, and a little cost-cutting effort in a number of areas can result in savings. And it doesn't always have to involve making big sacrifices in your life. Number 2. Have a saving plan. You've heard it before. Pay yourself first. If you wait until you've met all of your other financial obligations before seeing what's left over for saving, chances are you'll never have a healthy savings account or investments. Resolve to set aside a minimum of 5% of your salary for savings before you start paying your bills. Better yet, have money automatically deducted from your paycheck and deposited into a separate account. Number 3. Pay tax and keep good records. If you aren't careful about keeping thorough records, you're probably not claiming all your allowable income tax deductions and credits. Set up a system now and use it all year. It's much easier than scrambling to find everything at tax time, only to miss items that might have saved you money. Number 4. Maximize your employment benefits. Employment benefits plan, flexible spending accounts, medical and dental insurance, etc. are worth big bucks. Make sure you're maximizing yours and taking advantage of the ones that can save you money by reducing taxes or out-of-pocket expenses. Number 5. Invest. Many people use their salary hand to mouth without saving for rainy days. If you're contributing to a retirement plan and a savings account, and you can still manage to put some money into other investments, all the better. Robert Kiyosaki once said, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." So start saving now, in order to get wealthy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and please don't forget to subscribe for more updates and hit the notification bell next to it.